Question. So, how's about making a no egg needed, easy to do banana bread? More than likely, you might have every single ingredient. Back in a minute. Good morning. Good morning. This is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. And I love, love, love helping people to keep some more of their own hard earned money. How's everybody doing today? Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's the weekend. Hello. Happy Saturday. Not everyone has Saturday and Sunday off, but if you do, have an amazing, fantastic, leisurely morning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And for those of you that have to go to work today, I take my hat off to you. And whenever you have your day off, I hope you have a leisurely, fantastic morning on those days. There you go. How's everybody doing today? I hope, as always, this audio video finds everybody doing well. When I was thinking this morning, I said, I think that I should present some sort of an easy recipe that requires zero eggs. Now, about 2 to 3 years back, I did produce a video that explains how to make this easy banana bread. My recipe using complete pancake mix. Aha, see, that's the trick. If you have the complete pancake mix, whether it's already pre-made from the box or the kind that you could actually put together in store, which you do that too. This requires no eggs. So that solves the problem of, gee, I want to make my family something, but I'm really low on eggs and I really don't want to go to the grocery store just to buy 2 eggs right now. I'd rather wait a few days. And not only that, there's something really comforting on a winter morning about waking up to the smell of a banana bread, in my honest opinion. So I'm going to give you the recipe. It solves a bunch of problems, right? What to make for breakfast, something a little different, something that's hearty. You can make it all at once. You don't have to stand at the stove making it. You could just put this all together. And I have a really easy technique. Basically, you're dumping all of the ingredients inside of the loaf pan. Just saying, just saying. So we like that idea. Okay. All right. So let's get started. You need to do this. You need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to spray your loaf pan with nonstick spray. Okay. So what I like to do basically, I like to put all of the wet ingredients into this pan. So basically, I'm going to take 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, depending on the size. So you use your eyeball judgment for that. You could use, okay, you will use that, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It could be regular vanilla. It could be, if you have imitation vanilla, either one you are welcome to use. And it requires very little sugar, which is one reason I always suggest very ripe bananas, because the very ripe bananas provides that sweet, natural taste, right? So this recipe requires 1/4 cup of sugar, regular granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 capful of either canola or vegetable oil. Capful meaning the cap on the bottle of the oil. Just literally fill that up. If you like it a little moist, more moist, then you may use like 2, but you don't need to go overboard. A lot of recipes require lots and lots of oil that's really not needed. All it is empty calories, just pouring the money away down the drain, and 3/4 cup of water. So basically what you do is you put all of the wet ingredients, including in the wet ingredients, the sugar and the cinnamon. You can include that. All right. All the wet ingredients. The only dry, really, ingredients is going to be the 2 cups of complete pancake mix. So mush up all of the wet ingredients inside of your loaf pan. Don't even have to dirty another bowl. I love that. At the very end, you're going to add your 2 cups of complete pancake mix flour to it, 2 cups. Then with a fork, you're going to gently incorporate or mix it together. Do not repeat, do not over mix. It's going to be lumpy. Okay, so that batter is going to be lumpy, and that's what you want. Because if you over mix it, what's going to happen is it's going to release the glutens, and then one may obtain like a tougher kind of bread, and we don't want that. All right. Did I mention that you have to add 3/4 cup of water to that? Make sure that you do that too. Okay. So all the ingredients, I'm just going to say it like this in case you want to write it down. Going to need 2 cups of complete pancake mix, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 to 3 very ripe bananas, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 capful of either canola or vegetable oil, and 3/4 cup of water. Going to mix all the wet ingredients first. Then you're going to add the flour last. You already preheated the oven, and you're going to put all the ingredients together into the loaf pan. Then you're going to put the loaf pan into your oven, and you're going to bake it off for between 42 to 45 minutes. I would start checking it because oven temperatures vary. I would literally start checking at about 40 to 42 minutes. So definitely from 42 minutes on. Usually I stop mine, but everybody's different. Every oven's different. I usually stop mine somewhere between 43 and 45 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. Then we take it out. You let it cool off. Okay, you put it on your serving plate. I would wait about a good hour. I know it's tempting to try it that much sooner, but my goodness, you could get, I would say, about 8 to 10 generous slices out of it. And that's the easiest breakfast in the world. You could be doing other things. You could be getting your coffee ready. You could be setting your table while that's going. You'd be watching a little news if you like, or catch up on some YouTube videos if you'd like. And it's just an easy morning. There you go. I want to mention to you while I have your ears, hopefully you'll make this, by the way. And before I forget, you can always add your own like twist to it. If you like to add walnuts to it, have a handful of chopped walnuts if your family enjoys the walnuts. I've never done this before, but I would imagine that. Can you imagine if you put some like plump, juicy raisins in there for those that, love raisins? And I do. I love plump, juicy raisins that are baked into cakes and stuff like that. Everybody's different, but I definitely love to do that. This is really something that your family's going to enjoy. What did I want to mention to you? Oh, yes, yes. So this afternoon, come back, but not to my channel, although I might have another upload tonight. Not sure. Working on it. And but definitely head over to the Steve Young 74 channel, and I will be there for our random chat Saturday afternoon. I go hang out with Steve on his channel, and we chew the fat. Bring you a cup of coffee, tea. You have an opportunity to see the video at 1:30. I'm not sure if he's going to premiere it as a live chat. I have no idea. Maybe yes, maybe no. I am clueless because some people are having issues getting their comments on there for some reason, some technical problems. So it's entirely up to Steve, whatever he wants to do. However, the video will be airing at 1:30 tomorrow afternoon. There you go, Ever Random Chat. Always good spending time with you. Wishing everybody an amazing, fantastic weekend. If you make this banana bread, please let me know how you like it. I appreciate that. Definitely easy and definitely affordable. And who knows, you just might have every single ingredient. And I love to hear that. I really, really do. But I do ask a favor of you. If you found value in this or any one of my videos, please don't forget to click down on the like button. There you go. Have an amazing, fantastic day and take good care.